What if I told you there's a way to make $100 a day with just your phone, and it's 100% free? You won't believe how easy it is. In today's video, we'll show you 5 free apps that can help you earn money every day. And the best part is, you don't need to invest a dime. Whether you want to get paid for walking, sharing your data, or even completing simple tasks, these apps can turn your free time into real earnings. Stick with us. There's a bonus surprise waiting that'll help you earn even more. Let's begin with number 1. WeWard app. WeWard is a completely free, verified app that pays you simply for walking. With over 20 million users worldwide, it's available on both Android and iOS, so you can start earning regardless of your device. WeWard rewards users in wards for each step they take. You can exchange these wards for cash, gift cards, or even donate them to charity. For example, 200 wards equal about $1, and once you accumulate 3,000 wards, you can cash out about £15, with payouts typically processed within hours. Your earnings are based on your activity level, including steps, daily exercise, and calories burned. Keep in mind that withdrawal options and requirements can vary by country, so check what's available where you live. Now we have number 2, Caden app. The Caden app is a reliable platform that helps people earn money by sharing their data. Once downloaded, you can link popular services like Netflix, Uber, Spotify, Walmart, and Amazon to Caden. Each app you connect increases the data shared, which means more potential earnings. After looking into Caden, we found that users usually make between $4 and $15 each month, which is generally more than what other data sharing apps pay. To cash out, you'll need 40,000 coins, equal to $40, which may take a few months to reach depending on how much data you share. Caden pays through Stripe, so even without a PayPal account, you can easily receive your earnings. Most users report making between $50 and $100 a year, but your total earnings depend on how much data you share. One limitation of Caden is that it's currently available only for iOS. Android users may want to consider alternatives like Honeygain or Pawns.app, which offer similar ways to earn. Up next, number 3 on our list is Prograd app. The Prograd app is a reliable, free platform that lets you earn money while building useful money skills. Prograd connects you to different side jobs and ways to make extra income, and it also rewards you for learning about finances. Just sign up, log in, and click Start Earning to get going. Once you're logged in, Prograd offers a range of side jobs, including paid surveys, app reviews, and simple tasks online. By picking the options that interest you, you could earn up to $100 a day. The setup is flexible, so you can choose the jobs and tasks that fit your schedule and interests. Prograd also has lessons on important money topics like investing, budgeting, and digital money, crypto. These lessons not only help you learn more about money management, but also give you extra ways to earn. You only need 100 Pro Points to earn £1, which you can withdraw as cash or use as store vouchers. At number 4, we have 5 Surveys app. If you're looking for a straightforward and reliable way to earn extra cash, the 5 Surveys app is one of the best options out there. This platform stands out because it keeps the process simple and transparent. You earn $1 for every survey you complete. No complex point systems, no confusing rewards, just a guaranteed dollar for each survey. This simplicity makes it incredibly easy to track your earnings and know exactly how much you've made. The best part? It's easy to get started and even easier to see your earnings grow. Simply complete 5 surveys and you'll have earned $5. Nothing complicated about that. Whether you're new to paid surveys or a seasoned pro, the no-frills approach makes 5 surveys an appealing choice for everyone. When it comes to getting paid, 5 surveys offers several convenient options, ensuring you can choose the method that works best for you. You can opt for PayPal, Venmo, or Revolut to receive your earnings. Additionally, if these methods aren't available in your country, the app also offers direct bank transfers as an alternative, so you can still get paid easily, no matter where you are. Lastly, number 5 on our list is the Receipt Jar app. This is a simple yet highly effective tool that allows you to earn money by sharing your shopping receipts, all without any extra effort. It's incredibly user-friendly. Simply take a clear picture of any receipt showing the store name, price, and date, then upload it through the app. The newer the receipt, the better, as you'll earn more points for purchases made in recent days. Every time you upload a receipt, You earn points that can be exchanged for PayPal Cash, Visa gift cards, and a wide variety of other popular gift cards from retailers like Amazon, Target, Walmart, and more. It's a hassle-free way to make extra money while going about your normal shopping routine. And best of all, it doesn't require any additional spending. To make the most out of this opportunity, try to upload receipts as frequently as possible. The app also features a built-in scanner to ensure your photos are clear, easy to read, and meet all the necessary requirements. By staying consistent and uploading all your receipts, you'll quickly accumulate points, which means more opportunities to cash out and turn those points into valuable rewards. Whether you're buying everyday essentials or making occasional splurges, this app makes it easy to earn money from your regular shopping trips. And over time, the rewards can really add up. As a bonus, we have Cube Shift Master 3D. In the game, you'll see a red cube with blue dots on the field. Your job is to move the cube in a way that it collects all the blue dots. After finishing each level, you'll move on to the next level. Keep progressing through the levels to earn more coins. After completing a few levels, you'll notice a chest icon in the top right corner. This chest will become available after completing 4 to 5 levels. To open it, just tap the open button and watch a short ad, about 10 to 15 seconds. After watching the ad, you'll earn coins, like 1,423 coins, which will be added to your balance. Keep playing and completing levels to unlock more rewards. Every time you complete 4 to 5 levels, the chest will become available again, and you can open it to get more coins, like 1,466 coins. Keep progressing to earn more. If you find a level too difficult, there's an option to skip it for 1,000 coins. This can help you move forward without getting stuck on tough levels. After you complete the first 15 to 20 levels, you'll unlock the ability to earn real money from the game. You'll see a money icon in the settings menu. This means you can withdraw your earnings. Here's how much you need to earn to withdraw. To withdraw $5, you need 1 million coins. To withdraw $10, you need 1.5 million coins. To withdraw $20, you need 2 million coins. The higher the withdrawal amount, the fewer coins you need to exchange for it. Once you have 2 million coins, you can withdraw $20. To do this, go to the settings, click on the money icon, and select the $20 withdrawal option. Then, you'll need to enter your PayPal email and phone number. After confirming, your payment will be sent to your PayPal account within 5-6 business days. We hope you enjoyed learning about these easy ways to earn money. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on more tips to boost your income. Don't forget to check out our next video, Make Money Watching YouTube videos, for even more ways to make money online. See you soon.